Okay, so I'm here with Heidi. Heidi, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Heidi Tucker. I'm Vice President of Global Alliances with InsideView.
Excellent. So what does InsideView do?
Well, InsideView is a CRM intelligence platform that brings external data about companies and people into CRM. So it helps sales and marketing people get the information they need, the rich insights and intelligence about companies without having to spend hours upon hours researching on the internet to find it.
Okay, so recently Microsoft announced a partnership with InsideView. Can you tell us a bit about how that works?
Sure, absolutely. Microsoft is a pioneer in trying to make the CRM actionable and productive and predictive, not just a shell of information. And so they partnered with InsideView to bring all of this rich intelligence directly into the CRM Online Professional Edition licenses so that everybody who has one of those licenses can take advantage of this rich insight and account intelligence without having to buy it as a separate add-on.
Excellent. So let's say I was on an account entity in Dynamics CRM and InsideView is connected there. What type of enrichment or information would that assist a person working with that account?
Yeah, that's a great question. So InsideView really can be categorized into three major components. The first component is data, which we include in that company firmographic information, description of the company, number of employees, industry classification, revenue. We also put in the data category contacts, so we have all of the director level above decision maker contacts for that company with email address, phone number, and social feeds. Then the next category is insights. We draw news from about 30,000 different global news sources, so we bring in real-time news and blog posts and social feeds about the companies and the people in them.
Yeah.
And then we also categorize that news based on groupings that most B2B salespeople or marketers would find valuable, like leadership changes or new product offerings. So it's a much more streamlined way to get those insights than to just do a Bing search where you might get a huge number of responses.
Excellent. So there's a bit of confusion in Australia around what's available with InsideView, particularly from Microsoft's environments. Can you explain around what is available and how people would go about acquiring it?
Yeah, absolutely. So Microsoft has licensed InsideView and a product called Social Insights, which, as I mentioned, is part of CRM Online. That has not officially been released in Australia yet, but the exact same functionality is available directly through InsideView. It's available for CRM Online. It's also available for CRM On-Prem, and that can be acquired just directly by coming to insideview.com/Microsoft.
Excellent. So we could say that InsideView is absolutely available in the Australian market now.
Absolutely available. We have many customers in the Australian market today.
Fantastic.
We'd be happy to have more.
Okay, so apart from the Social Insight View, are there any other products in your line?
Yes, we have an enterprise version of InsideView, which has one added feature that Social Insights doesn't have, which is targeted list building. So you can access our full 50 million company database, which incidentally is a database, worldwide database of companies and people. So you can use that list building feature to build targeted marketing lists on the fly whenever you want. And so we offer that as just an add-on feature to Social Insights if it's available, or as a standalone.
Okay. And then just back to the Social Insights, is that pulling in from external social channels?
Yes, we source the information in Social Insights from licensed data that we purchase from companies like Thomson Reuters and from Equifax and from CapIQ. So we actually go and acquire those databases. Then we also scrape websites, and we'll scrape hundreds of thousands of websites every day looking for leadership changes and social or press releases. And then we overlay social information from LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and blog posts. So you get all of that in one application in one place without having to go out separately to all of those individuals.
Okay, so Heidi, in closing, is there anything else you'd like to add?
Yeah, I would just be really happy to help any customers in the Australian market with Social Insights or InsideView to help power your sales and marketing productivity. We have a great solution there.
Thank you.